Hurricane Milton is expected to make landfall tonight, and here's everything we know so far. Hurricane Milton originated as a Category 1 level hurricane, but quickly spiked up to a Category 4 and may even hit Tampa head-on, becoming a Category 5. Citizens of Florida that are living in the evacuation areas are encouraged to evacuate as soon as possible or find immediate shelter. Local authorities are also driving around neighborhoods, encouraging residents to evacuate as soon as possible, as police may not be able to save everybody at once. If you're in Florida right now, it is very important that you stay inside and you stay safe.